This site is called Ck12, and it's mostly a math and science site, although it does have a few things for English and a few other things as well, but mostly math and science. So there's a few different tabs at the top. Dashboard is going to be the one you use the most. Groups is how you create your classes. Library, so once you find an assignment or a video or a text that you like, you can save it to your library forever. Cafe has different ideas, and then you can also search by standards. Sometimes this will say browse as well. So right now we're browsing, so all subjects. So here's math. So you can go by subject or grades 1-5 if you have to go back and differentiate for some of your students who are struggling. Same thing with science. So a few things that these have, I'll just go to earth science for right now. Once you go into a subject, then it's going to have like the sub-subjects of each one after that. Whenever it says PLIX, that means play, learn, interact, and explore. So they're really interactive things for students to do. Study guides normally have like flashcards for them to practice. And then if you go to Flexbook or textbooks, that is actual readings from it that you can save to your article or assign students to. So if we go into Introduction to Earth Science, I'm just going to click Scientific Method. So from the scientific method, there's 12 things total. There's one article to read, one video, 2 different activities, 1 study aid, 3 lesson plans, 1 assessment, and 1 concept map, and 1 real world. So any of those things that you see in here, you can assign to your classes. So I'm just going to randomly go into the practice, or the assessment is another name for it on here. So a few things you can do, you can add it to your library, which I would suggest doing anytime that you find something you like. You can assign it to your class, you can share it to your group, you can customize and change it, which also allows you to create new questions. So there's lots of different things that you can do in here. Once it's in your library, it will be in there forever, and it categorizes it based on the subject or subsubject of it. So that's a little bit about Ck12. Let me know if you have more questions.